Hey, thank you so much for taking care of my classroom for me while I'm gone. Today, the students are going to be learning about the different kinds of rocks. So I've included a presentation for them with some different activities to do throughout to help them learn. I just wanted to show you what the presentation looks like so that if the students need help with one of the activities, they can ask you and you'll know kind of what to do. And if they aren't on task, if they're watching a video on something totally random, you can put them back on task. And also, if you could just let me know so that I can talk to them when I get back. So this video shows kind of what they're going to be seeing. So hopefully that will help you out some. So I'm going to just walk you through it. So the title is Rocks Rock because they definitely do. We love rocks. And what they're going to see is first is just like some slides with information on them. There's like bullet points and they're just going to read through them and take notes if they would like. I highly recommend that they take notes because it's going to help them on the assignments throughout. It gets a little confusing to distinguish which is which if they just quickly read through. So up to them to take notes, but definitely should. And then they're going to go on to the different types. So igneous rocks part 1, which is extrusive, and then igneous rocks part 2, which is intrusive. And if you could just let them know as they're doing this to pay careful attention to the pictures of the rocks. Some of them are very similar and they're going to have an assignment where they have to match each one to the type. And so I just want them to do well on that. So yeah, if you can just let them know, pay super close attention. And then they'll go to sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks finally. And then they'll have their first activity, which is like a matching thing kind of. So what they're going to do is they're going to have their mouse and they're going to click on the picture and draw a line to the different thing. And they can change the colors. So if they wanted it to look different, so then they would do this and yeah, just drawing lines to each one of them. They can keep changing colors if they want, or they can use one color. Either is fine with me, but yeah, whichever they would like to do is fine. So that's just kind of what they're going to be doing. It does not have to be perfect. I just need to see that they can distinguish the pictures. Next, they're going to watch this rock video, which is a rap. Pretty cool. I really enjoy it, and I think they will too. When I posted it, the presentation, it didn't upload the video as a link, so they're going to have to just copy it and put it in the search bar. The kids are probably going to say, oh, I can't get to the link. They still need to watch it. They just have to put in the search bar. So if you'll let them know, and if they ask 100 times, please just answer them and let them know that's what they have to do. Next, they are going to do this assignment, which is a matching kind of thing, which is super fun. And so they're going to match the type of rock to how it was formed. So, for example, extrusive was formed when molten rock reaches the Earth's surface and cools. So they'll hit igneous extrusive, and formed when molten rock reaches the Earth's surface and cools. And then no tone is right. And then if they were just to say hit one that is not right, then they're gonna, let's just say they do that, it's gonna let them know it's not right, and they're gonna have to do it again. So then they can get it right the next time. So that's just really helpful. So it gives them immediate results. And then finally, they're going to do a quiz. It's only 10 questions. It's not going to tell them if it's right or wrong. So, like, this clearly is not right. A rock is not a liquid substance found deep in the ocean. So they're not going to get the immediate results. But if they can just click on it, then and keep going through, that'll be really great. So they'll just do that for all of them. They'll have to just keep hitting the arrow to go over. And then at the end, it's just going to say, it's just going to stop. They're not going to be able to go on, and they're just going to finish it. So if you can just help them through this with whatever they need, that would be great. Thank you so much for taking care of my classroom. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.